the very top portion. Push as hard as you can, and don't snap it. Just hold at constant pressure. There you go. Oh, a little more pressure. There you go. Now you can release slowly. So see how this just stays. Now we don't fuck. Probably easier from my side. I can see it. Oh, that one's for the bottom. You can do that one first. It's got to get right in there, and you can't strip it. It's the nice thing about working on cars out here instead of Detroit, Michigan. Everything's rusty and you break bolts. Out here, they actually come apart. All right, so it's loose. Just loosen the other one now. Don't pull anything all the way out. I guess try it all the way. Flatten this one all the way out. You can use just this with your hand sometimes. There you go. It still feels like something. One more on the back we forgot. And if that deep well socket's too much, you might have to convert it to a short. Okay. The only problem when we dip down to a 1/4 inch is it doesn't give you nearly as much leverage to pull on it. Whatever that is. Probably another 1/2 inch. That looks pretty small. 10 millimeter on the ground. It's red shit on your hands. You use a color day at school? Alright, so put that nut back on that alternator. And then pull it out. I should be totally free. I disconnected. You've successfully removed your first alternator, bro.